Dear viewers, welcome back. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best Delta kitchen faucets you can buy this year. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Delta 9113 TARDST Kitchen Faucet. First on our list is the Delta 9113 TARDST, a modern faucet packed with advanced features designed for today's busy kitchens. Its Touch-to-O technology lets you start and stop the water flow with just a simple touch, perfect when your hands are messy. The TempSense LED indicator changes color to show the water temperature, adding extra safety and convenience. With magnetite docking, the spray head locks perfectly into place, using a strong magnet so it never droops over time. Delta's Diamond Seal technology ensures this faucet lasts twice as long as the industry standard, providing years of leak-free use. It even includes touch-clean spray holes for quick, hassle-free maintenance. And installation is simple with everything included in the box. Number 2. Delta 9178 TSPDST Kitchen Faucet. Coming in next is the Delta 9178 TSPDST, a perfect blend of style, performance, and smart features. It also features Touch-to-O technology for easy hands-free activation and a TempSense LED light for instant temperature awareness. The magnetite docking keeps the sprayer firmly in position, while Shield Spray technology offers a powerful, targeted spray that reduces splatter and cuts through tough messes. Built with Diamond Seal technology, this faucet provides long-lasting durability and fewer leak points. The Spot Shield stainless finish helps resist fingerprints and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking clean. Delta backs it with a lifetime limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Delta 21996 LFSS Kitchen Faucet. Next up is the Delta 21996 LFSS, a practical and versatile faucet designed to deliver reliable performance. It fits 4-hole 8-inch configurations and includes a 360 high-arc swivel spout for extra flexibility. The matching side sprayer offers strong cleaning power with a retractable hose, perfect for everyday kitchen tasks. Made from durable metal, this faucet is built to last, and installation is simple. With Delta's lifetime limited warranty, you can trust its long-term reliability. Number 4. Delta 9159A RDST Kitchen Faucet. At number 4, we have the stylish Delta 9159A RDST, a faucet that elevates both the look and functionality of your kitchen. Its Touch-to-O technology provides effortless water control, and the magnetite docking keeps the sprayer secure. Thanks to Diamond Seal technology, it delivers superior leak-free performance for years. Its Spot Shield stainless finish helps keep the faucet clean by resisting water spots and fingerprints. Installation is quick and easy with all components included, and as always, it's supported by Delta's lifetime limited warranty. Number 5. Delta B441 OLF Kitchen Faucet. Finally, we have the Delta B441 OLF, a simple yet dependable option for everyday kitchen use. Designed for 4-hole 8-inch setups, it features a 360 swivel oak spout and a smooth single-handle lever for easy temperature control. The matching side sprayer delivers strong water pressure and extends easily for cleaning tasks. Built from durable materials and backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty, this faucet offers excellent value for homeowners seeking reliability at a great price. We hope this list of the top 5 best Delta kitchen faucets helps you choose the perfect model for your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and home improvement guides.